Stop by and take a look at the 2017 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, dual moonroof, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.